Good afternoon, my name is Jeff Langrill. Today I have Charmaine Johnson. We are both in client care here at AeroQuip. This afternoon we were going to go through a troubleshooting process on the head holder. If your head holder is slipping, we're going to go through a step-by-step process on how to troubleshoot that and get it fixed. The number one thing to look for is when you close the head holder, roughly halfway or as if it was on an animal's head, you want to make sure you have a gap between that pin and the curve on the handle. And the ideal tolerance needed is about 1/8 of an inch. So as you can see, you have a tolerance there. If your bolt is too close and touching that, you have any up and down movement, it's just going to pop that pin up and release it. So number one thing, check your bolt, make sure you have a tolerance. Second thing is to check the bolt here, where the handle pivots. So this is important too. You want to make sure that bolt isn't too tight. If it's too tight, when you go to release the head holder, it will stay in the open position. So you want to make sure that it's tight enough, but not too tight. So you want to be able to lift up and let go, and it should drop down to create that tolerance. Third thing is, you want to make sure these two big bolts are not too loose. So over time, you buy a brand new head holder, run a couple hundred heads through, just with the wear in, these can loosen up. So it's important that these are tightened every so often. If everything's loose and this gets sort of jumping around, this handle can bump up and touch that. So you want to make sure everything's sort of tightened to the right tolerance. Again, my name is Jeff with AeroQuip. If this does not fix your issue, feel free to call us at 1-866-383-7827 or shoot us an email at cs@aeroquip.com. Thank you.